Hi there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making stuffed eggplants. So many ways of doing them, but this is the way I do them. So I'm gonna cut the ends off, and then I'm just gonna cut the eggplant in half because I need the inside to fry with the meat, which I have everything ready and I will show you everything. So what I do here, I just cut all around. Okay, I'm gonna just do one to show you. Scoop it with this, I find it easier. Okay. See, I gotta just take the inside out, just like that. And then I chop this up. Okay, we'll do it in small pieces. And then I will do the rest of the eggplants like this. Okay, I'll do the other half. As much as you can out, and you can leave some, you know, like you gotta leave a little bit of the pulp, you know. So okay, so I'm gonna put some salt here in the shell, and you put it upside down, so we'll drain some of the little bit of the water. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut this one up, small pieces. Okay, this is good. And you put some salt, the same, so we'll drain. Then I'm gonna squeeze it, and I'm gonna be frying it up with the meat. So I'm gonna continue, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, now I'm ready to do the meat. Olive oil, not too much. Okay, I don't like too much oil. And the meat. This is veal and beef. My hands are cleaned and washed, so I'm always in the kitchen. I'm gonna add the garlic, onions. So this is the filling for the eggplant that I'm doing now. And this is the inside of the eggplant that I chopped up earlier. I'm gonna squeeze it out, and I'm gonna add it in here. Okay, and I'm gonna continue to squeeze this. Okay, I think it's good. That's the way. And you add it to the mixture here. I don't add too much salt because of the eggplant here, the inside of the eggplant has quite a bit of salt. Okay, so this one is gonna cook for a little bit. Okay, I'm adding some parsley. This is Italian parsley. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it until absorbs all the water in the meat, and then I'm gonna add some wine. I drained some of the water, the liquid that was underneath, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of wine, like half a glass. Mix it again. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in this glass pan, so I'm gonna put it off, and then we're gonna add all the vegetables. Okay, now I'm gonna grate all the vegetables, and I'm gonna do it in the mixer here. I'm gonna give it a good mix. Here I have chopped tomatoes. Okay, and this is Romano cheese. couple eggs. I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm gonna get in here. Okay, so here I have, like I said, the potatoes, and I cut them like this, washed, cut, and everything. Olive oil, not too much. Salt, okay, and here's Italian seasoning, just for the potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add just a small onion in here. These potatoes will go in the oven with the eggplant. Just mix it, okay? Here's the pot, and I'm gonna turn the oven on so it will be nice and hot. Here are the eggplant that I put some salt. So now I'm gonna just rinse it because I don't want them to be so salty. So I'm ready to stuff the shells. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna put them like that. Like that. There you go. Okay, here I'm gonna put the potatoes now. A little bit of tomato. Okay. And I'll put some cheese. Okay, I'll show you. Look nice, eh? I like to put parchment paper first. And then I'll put the foil. Ready. I take one out and see how they are. They look delicious. Nice. The potatoes, want to try it? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.